Good afternoon. As many of you are aware, a lot has changed in our world over the last several months. Schools, restaurants, stores, and other daily staples have temporarily closed. Local, state, and national governments have asked people to stay at home in an effort to slow the spread of the virus. People have adapted and found new ways to communicate and connect with those around them. E-learning has become the norm, and although it will never replace face-to-face instruction at the EACC, we have all done our best to provide a daily connection to normalcy. Each May, the ACC hosts an awards recognition ceremony to celebrate our students and their accomplishments over the last school year. Teachers have an opportunity to recognize students that performed well in their programs, and the ACC honors competitors, early college graduates, and scholarship recipients. Obviously, we are not able to hold this celebratory event as planned this year, but we did not want to miss out on recognizing our students. Throughout this week, we will have daily recognition of 1 or 2 program clusters and those students' accomplishments.
Yesterday, we recognized outstanding students from the Arts and Communication and Transportation classes. Today, we are proud to celebrate outstanding students from the Engineering, Manufacturing, and Technology classes. Please join me in congratulating these students on their hard work and dedication shown this year.
Mrs. Herzl and I are pleased to announce that Caden Scrow, a first year from Northridge, has been chosen as this year's Teacher's Choice student from the morning class. Caden is an excellent student. He has a smile when he arrives in class and is always pleasant and respectful to us and his classmates. He has helped Mrs. Herzl and me as we work through the new version of IT Essentials labs and study guides, giving excellent feedback and suggesting improvements, which we greatly appreciate. Caden is an all-around great student, and we appreciate all his work. Congratulations, Caden. Mrs. Herzl and I have chosen Anthony Blaze Jackson, a first-year junior from Jimtown, as this year's Teacher's Choice student from the afternoon class. Blaze is an excellent student. He's quiet, pleasant, thoughtful, respectful to both his classmates and his instructors. He is a natural teacher and often is helping other students with math or subnetting problems. When someone's missed class, he often explains the notes from that day. He has the heart of a teacher. Congratulations, Blaze.
Tate Borst is a hardworking, productive, and responsible student in the AM Construction Trades 2 class. He is graduating from Elkhart Christian Academy this year. He also was on the South Bend Riley state champion hockey team last year and served as the team's captain this year. He is currently working at Hills Brothers Construction. He would eventually like to start his own business. Evan Friel is a hardworking, energetic, and independent student in the PM Construction Trades 2 class. He is graduating from Penn High School this year and began his interest in construction trades his sophomore year. He is currently using his skills working for a contractor and would eventually like to be a construction manager.
Caleb Sherman of Northwood High School. He's a senior. He's had good attendance. He's the high grade for the morning class. And just a few things about Caleb. He's very smart, very good with math, very talented with the tools. He's got good leadership skills. He always gets his task done, stays on task very well. He's pretty good with time management. He's also planning on graduation here, going right into the workforce. He'd like to get a job in construction and possibly someday be a company owner in the area of construction. Meadow Leach from Penn High School. She's a junior. She is a girl that's receiving it first time ever in the construction trades. Student of the year will be a girl. Pretty excited about that. A few things about Meadow. She's very, very persistent, very smart, very honest, and she's very talented with the tools. She always completes tasks, and she is like the high grade for the afternoon class. Her intention upon graduation after next year is she wants to join the carpenter's apprenticeship, and she loves to work with the building materials. She loves to build things, and she would like a career with that until maybe she wants to settle down. So congratulations to Meadow Leach.
Jason is a dedicated student who has a very strong work ethic. Jason has good attendance and a can-do-it-right the first time attitude. His way of working has been admired by the whole class. Once again, congratulations, Jason. Way to go. Amilcar is a very good student, very good attendance, and a very strong work ethic. He has a can-do attitude. His get-the-job-right the first time attitude has been observed by all of the students in the class. The whole class observes him when he works. And, once again, congratulations, Amilcar. You've done a really good job this year and last year.
My first Teacher's Choice Award recipient is Caden, a first-year student in my PM Computer Drafting and Design class. Caden's receiving this award due to his excellent behavior, work, and work ethic. In addition to all of his normally assigned work, Caden partnered with another student and completed 2 architectural drafting projects for outside clients. Both of these projects included initial concept design, 2D and 3D renderings of the buildings, and countless revisions requested by the clients. He really sets the standard for the class. My second Teacher's Choice Award recipient is Justin Greiner, a first-year student in my PM Computer Drafting and Design class. He's receiving this award due to his excellent behavior, work, and work ethic. In addition to all of his normally assigned work, Justin partnered with another student and completed 2 architectural drafting projects for outside clients. Both of these projects included the initial concept design, 2D and 3D renderings of the buildings, and countless revisions requested by the clients. He really sets the standard for my class.
Rahul Espinoza is an AM student here at Elkhart Area Career Center in Machine Trades. Rahul is very punctual. He's a very great student, always helping other students out. He's going to make a great engineer one day, and I wish him luck. Brice Garber is a PM student here at Elkhart Area Career Center in the Machine Trades Department. Brice has shown a lot of improvement over the very short few months that I've worked here, and I think he's going to do great next year because he's a junior this year. He's going to be able to help other students out, and I look forward to seeing him next year.
Liam Blackburn. He is a homeschooled student in his second year. He's in the AM Mechatronics program. Now, however, last year he was in the engineering program and he decided to make that switch over to mechatronics because he liked working with his hands a lot more than he liked sitting behind a computer designing things. So he's been really able to take off this year doing that, and I've really counted on him the last 2 years because he is one of those people who is self-motivated. Anytime I have a problem or need help with something, Liam is there for me. If I have some first-year students that need some help working on a hands-on skill while I'm helping somebody else, I can always call on Liam to give me a hand. If I need a project worked on where I just need to toss a problem out to Liam, I can count on him to work his way through the problem for the most part by himself. Now, the second student that I nominated is Ethan Beeman. He's in the PM class from Penn High School, and actually he came over from the CAD program at the beginning of the year and into the engineering program because he was kind of like Liam in the fact that he wanted to build more things versus be on the CAD computer all the time. And so he came into that class late, and he's a naturally quiet, dry humor kind of guy. So breaking into some more rambunctious people, I was a little bit worried, but he actually became the leader of that afternoon class. Just that subtleness of his humor, he was able to just kind of prod people to get working on projects or his hands-on skills. Since he had the design background in CAD, he was able to drive that brainstorming process when they were working on their projects. If it was in math, just a subtle joke to somebody to get them to help speak up in that class environment. Not everybody wants to do that. So I'm really going to miss that presence around the room.